Caddx Turbo S1 FPV camera. I'm going to do a review on it. Yeah, see how good it is. All the links will be in the description below to this camera and all its full spec. Gonna have a look at the camera in a minute to see it. That's it on the drone. It fits in a 210mm QE, quite nice. And then you've got a bracket here which you can fit around it and it'll make it wider. So if you've got a wider attachment in your drone, you can make it wider with that clip. That slides on. That slides on, and now is the thickness now of a normal FPV camera. Pretty much it. And then that's your remote to control, to change all the settings. Got a little metal clip to mount it with too. You zone, some wiring, and in this bag in we've got an Allen key, some little screws, nuts and bolts. It's camera fitted. You haven't got a lot of tilt on this one, on the camera. Right, this is standard settings. The image looks nice and clear. I've got a bit of ESC signal noise, but I can sort that out though with an LC filter. But it does a good job when you're looking at the sun. So it's NTSC or PAL, a third sensor in it. It's 600 TV lines, electronic shutter. 60 dB. Video output is CVBS. It comes in a 2.1mm lens, a 2.3 or a 2.5mm. Auto gain control, backlight. It's got OSD, which you can have your voltage, time, horizon line and title. WDR, DNR, auto day and night. It can take 5 volt up to 40 volts, so it can take pretty much any battery. It weighs 12 grams. Right, in some of the menus you can adjust exposure, the white balance, day and night, image adjust. You can adjust the shutter, brightness, AGC D-WDR. It's got a backlight. It's got a lens shadow or lens shade where you can turn on and off. 2 DNR where you can turn on and off. A mirror, you can change the font color, contrast, sharpness. You can have a negative image. So, yeah, it's pretty good. I'll put the full spec in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll leave you with the rest of this flight. Thanks.